In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cisco Webex meetings on your Android device. Whether you're gearing up for a virtual meeting or connecting with colleagues, Cisco Webex simplifies the process, allowing you to stay in touch seamlessly. Let's walk through the installation process step by step, ensuring that you're set up and ready to join your next meeting with ease. First things first, you'll need to prepare your Android device for the installation. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This not only speeds up the download process, but also avoids eating into your mobile data plan. Once you're online, go ahead and locate the Google Play Store icon on your device. It's usually marked with a colorful triangle. Now tap on that icon to open the Play Store. In the search bar located at the top of the screen, simply type in Cisco Webex Meetings. You should see a list of results appear almost immediately. Keep an eye out for the one with the familiar green and blue Cisco Webex logo and the name obviously marked as Cisco Webex Meetings. When you find it, tap on it to open the app's detail page. Here, you can read through the app's description and check out the ratings and reviews if you're curious. But for now, your main focus is the Install button. When you're ready, tap it to begin downloading the app to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so feel free to take a quick breath while it downloads. Once the download is complete, the Install button will morph into an Open button. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the Cisco Webex Meetings app for the very first time. With the app now up and running, you'll land on the welcome screen. Here, you'll be given the option to sign up for a new account or sign in if you already have an account. If you've used Webex before, simply enter your existing credentials to access your meetings instantly. Otherwise, you can follow the prompts to create a new account, which is a straightforward process taking just a few minutes of your time. After signing in, the app will walk you through its permissions settings. You'll need to grant the app access to essential features like your device's microphone and camera. These permissions are necessary for you to participate fully in meetings, ensuring you can be seen and heard clearly by others. And that wraps up the installation process. With Cisco Webex Meetings now successfully installed on your Android device, you're ready to effortlessly join or host virtual meetings no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy meeting. Bye.